Introduction. This project aims to improve education for sustainable development. Unfortunately, although some progress has been made, the author feels that attempts to date have largely failed. That is, humanity is hurtling down an extremely dangerous development pathway. If we do not take note of current failings, then an existential crisis could be imminent. The project borrows from music theory in that the structure of a book-length piece will borrow from the idea of a sonata. Thus, two crucial themes are examined from a variety of contexts and transdisciplinary perspectives. 2. Exposition. Herein, the two main arguments, theses, are introduced. A. Encourage intrinsic motivations for lasting behavior change. B. Reorientation of societies to localized structures is more sustainable. Each thesis, in turn, then becomes a theme in the sonata form. Theme A, encouraging intrinsic motivations, is followed by transition, a more just way of life. Then theme B, local societal reorientation, is followed by closing theme, a future for all, before codetta, everybody in the place, closes this section. 3. Development. This section will explore relevant theory. This will include literature concerning interpersonal psychology, social agency, identity, etc., and work to date in associated fields relating to the two themes. A sample bibliography, to come, will better illustrate the intentions here. Finally, retransition back to basics will explore more practical exemplar intentional communities as microcosms of social reorientation. Recapitulation. This overarching, crucial section explores some reasons for our present predicament and the need for something different. Theme A, human motivations and criticality, utilizes critical theory to help analyze efforts to date. Transition, ethics, self and society explores, for example, notions of self, identity and society, norms, beliefs, etc. Theme B, one world, many people, examines the dominant hegemony of competitive mindsets. And finally, closing theme, hanging on a precipice, attempts to instill a sense of urgency for the whole enterprise. Finally, codetta, firefighting, attempts to encourage policy formulation beyond simple responses to current concerns by addressing the need for a more longer-term rationale. 5. Coda. Subtitled Space-Time Existence, this section takes a more general stance concerning the issues explored throughout the project. It importantly asks if our impact upon Earth is something that humanity would wish to have inscribed upon its collective tombstone.